Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, Alexand Akhlabat High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of 10th class maths. We have started the discussion with coordinate geometry. What did we learn in the last session? We learned the distance formula, how to find the distance between two coordinates, and we have solved a few different conditions, right? Collinearity or three different points form a triangle or rhombus or square, right? Today, let us find out the values of small variables when the distance is given. Shall we start? See here. The first question given here it is, he is asking us to find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from these 2 points. Okay, how to do? So, let us say, let p of x comma y be the point. Okay, he is telling that this point p x comma y is equidistant from A and B. Okay, he is telling that that point is on x-axis. What to do then? If a point is on x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. Okay, और एक बार देखो इधर, he is asking us to find the point on x-axis. x-axis का point बोले तो x-axis पे y का वैल्यू कभी भी 0 ही रहता. So let us keep it as 0. Okay, 0 है तो ये point B और A के point से same distance पे रहे तो ये point find out करना है. Okay, is it clear? हाँ, अब देखो इधर PA is equal to PB. Okay, P क्या है? X comma 0, A क्या है? 2 comma minus 5. Shall we do? x2 minus x1 whole square, that is under root 2 minus x whole square plus minus 5 minus 0 whole square, that is equal to PB क्या है? minus 2 minus x whole square plus 9 minus 0 whole square. Let us simplify. Now tell me, a minus b whole square is okay, let me simplify directly. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, plus 5 minus 5 whole square is 5 square under root, that is equal to under root minus 2 minus x, that is minus 2 whole square plus x square minus 2 into minus 2 into x plus 9 minus 0 is 9 square. Okay, अब क्या करेंगे इधर? स्क्वायर आई मीन सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. 2 स्क्वायर इज 4 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2 2 ज़ा 4x प्लस 5 स्क्वायर इज 25, दैट इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट माइनस 2 स्क्वायर इज 4 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2 माइनस प्लस 4x प्लस 81. इज इट ओके? अब देखो सिंप्लीफाई करके स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स कर देंगे. ओके, लेट अस डू स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स नाउ इटसेल्फ. स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स एंड लेट अस सिंप्लीफाई इट. देखो इधर एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 4 प्लस 25 इज 29 अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 85 स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स. स्क्वायर और रूट कैंसिल हुए तो क्या बचेगा? एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस 29 इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 85. ओके, ये एक्स स्क्वायर कैंसिल होगा. ओके, ये 4x इधर 29 को उधर भेजे तो 4x इधर आए तो माइनस 4x इज माइनस 8x, दैट इज इक्वल टू 85 माइनस 29 कितना? 56. Therefore x is equal to 8 1 जा 8 7 जा x is minus 7. Therefore point is minus 7 comma 0. Is it okay? Next question देखो इधर. If the distance between 2 points this and this is 10, the distance is given. He is asking us to find the value of x. Okay, now see here, that is a is x comma 7, b is 1 comma 15. The distance AB is 10. Okay, substitute करेंगे. देखो इधर x1 y1 x2 y2. Now x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is equal to 10. Is it okay? Now see here, let us solve this. First of all, let us square on both sides so that we can remove this square root. Squaring on both sides, 1 minus x whole square plus 15 minus 7 is 8 square under root whole square is equal to 10 square. Square root will get cancelled. Now we have to simplify this. 1 minus x whole square is 1 square plus x square minus 2x plus 64 is equal to 100. Okay, x square minus 2x plus 65 minus 100, that is equal to 0. Okay, so let us do this. X square minus 2x minus 65 minus 100 is 35, that is equal to 0. Now tell me what are the factors of 35? 7 into 5, right? So x square minus 7x plus 5x, right, minus 35 is equal to 0. Let us take x as common here. This will be x minus 7. Let us take 5 as common here. This will be x minus 7. Okay. Now x minus 7, if I take it as common, I will get it as x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now tell me, x can be either 7 or x is equal to minus 5. Is it clear? Shall we do a few more problems? Let's start. Now see here, the next question given here it is, he is asking us to find the values of y for which the distance between p and q is 10. Similar to the previous problem, right? अब देखो इधर क्या दिए, इधर पी क्यू का डिस्टेंस 10 है. ओके, दैट इज पी और क्यू के डिस्टेंस क्या है, पी और टू के पॉइंट्स क्या है, दिस इज x1 y1, दिस इज x2 y2. ओके, दैट इज अंडर रूट 10 minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square, that is equal to 10. Clear? Let us do squaring on both sides. 10 minus 2 क्या है, 8 square और ये y plus 3 whole square under root whole square is equal to 10 square. Square under root will get cancelled. Okay, 8 square क्या है, 64, y plus 3 is y square plus 3 square is 9 plus 3 2s are 6y is equal to 100. Right? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Yes or no? अब देखो नेक्स्ट क्या होगा, y square plus 6y, 64 plus 9 क्या है, 75, 73 minus 100 is equal to 0. अब बोलो y square plus 66y minus 73 minus 100 क्या होगा, 27 is equal to 0. अब बोलो 27 का फैक्टर्स 9 3 से लिख सकते हैं, राइट? देखो इधर y square प्लस 9y माइनस 3y माइनस 27 इज इक्वल 0. ये दोनों में से y कॉमन लिए तो y प्लस 9 और ये दोनों टर्म्स माइनस 3 कॉमन लिए तो y प्लस 9. देयरफॉर y प्लस 9 को कॉमन लिए तो y माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. देयरफॉर y इज नाइदर माइनस 9 और 3. इज इट ओके? देखो अब नेक्स्ट सम क्या है. He is asking us to find the relationship between x and y if p is equidistant from minus 2 comma 8 and minus 3 comma minus 5. Okay, that is क्या है इधर, given a as minus 2 8, let us take it, b as minus 3 comma minus 5 and given p is x comma y. Okay, what is given? This p is equidistant from a and b, that is pa is equal to pb. Okay, fine. pa क्या है बोलो अब, pa is x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square is equal to pb क्या है, x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. इधर अंडर रूट, इधर भी अंडर रूट. Okay. Okay, let us square on both sides and simplify meanwhile. Here x plus 2 whole square क्या है, x square plus 4 plus 4x. इधर y square plus 64 minus 8 2s are 16x. इधर x square plus 9 plus 6x और ये y square plus 25 plus 10y. Is it right? हाँ, अब देखो इसका स्क्वायर रूट होल स्क्वायर और इसका स्क्वायर रूट होल स्क्वायर. स्क्वायर स्क्वायर रूट विल गेट कैंसल्ड. राइट, अब देखो इधर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 16x. 64 प्लस 4 क्या है 68. और इधर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 6x वाई स्क्वायर प्लस 10y प्लस 25 प्लस 9 इज 34. ओके, पूरे टर्म्स को एक साइड लाएंगे. क्या होगा देखो इधर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 16x प्लस 68. इधर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 6x माइनस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 10y माइनस 34 इज इक्वल टू 0. अब देखो इधर एक्स स्क्वायर टर्म वाई स्क्वायर टर्म विल गेट कैंसल. 4x minus 6x is minus 2x. Yes or no? This is y. Don't get confused. इधर minus 16y minus 10y is minus 26y. ओके, 68 में से 34 सब्ट्रैक्ट किए तो प्लस 34. ओके, अब देखो इधर -2 कॉमन ले सकते हैं ना. क्या होगा x प्लस 13y minus 17 equal to 0. That is x plus 13y minus 17 is equal to 0. What is the relation बोले तो ये इक्वेशन ही हमारा रिलेशन है. ओके, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? फाइन. shall we move to the next topic? What all we discussed now? We started what is the distance formula. We solved many different problems based on the distance between 2 points. Okay, the next topic which is very important, that is section formula. What is section formula? It is a point which is dividing the line segment in the particular ratio. That is, if I say there is some point, let us say some r, which is dividing p and q in the ratio m1 is to m2. Okay, see here r x comma y is a point which is dividing the line segment joining the 2 points p of x1 comma y1 and q of x2 comma y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2. Then this r can be given as m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Is it clear? This is the formula we have to remember. First formula क्या था? Distance का formula. इधर section formula. Section बोले तो dividing, intersecting, secting बोले तो divide करना. ओके, इधर कौन सा रेशियो में m1 is to m2 का रेशियो में ये दोनों पॉइंट के लाइन को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. राइट, once again see here r is a point which is dividing the line segment joining these 2 points a and b in the ratio m1 is to m2. Then the point can be given as m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Right, what if these 2 parts are equal? Right, बोलो ये दो पार्ट्स इक्वल है तो क्या होगा? रेशियो विल बी 1:1. राइट, तो दिस विल बी माय मिड पॉइंट. ओके, ये m1 और m2 रेशियो 1:1 है तो ये r हमारा मिड पॉइंट बनेगा. ओके, सो टेल मी मिड पॉइंट का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AB विल बी this m1 will be 1, m2 is also 1. Okay, x1 plus x2 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. The formula will be x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is my formula for midpoint. This is my third formula. How many formulas we have learned? The first formula is distance. What is that? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Second formula is section formula, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Right, and the next is midpoint formula is the average of these two, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Is it right? And one more thing, a few things as we discussed similarly in distance formula, we discussed about collinearity and all other things. Here in section formula, we will learn about what is trisection. ट्राइसेक्शन बोले तो क्या, एक लाइन को पी क्यू एक लाइन है, ये लाइन को 3 पार्ट्स करना है. कैसे करना, 2 पॉइंट्स लेके. ओके, दैट इज लेट अस से सम आर एंड एस. कौन से रेशियो में डिवाइड होगा, ये आर लिए तो ये एक पार्ट, ये रिमेनिंग टू एक पार्ट बोले तो द होल पार्ट इज डिवाइड इन द रेशियो 1:2. ओके, एस फाउंड आउट करना है तो ये P से IS तक एक पार्ट और S से Q तक एक पार्ट, सो दैट विल बी 2:1. ओके, ट्राइसेक्शन बोले तो ये M1:M2, 1:2 और 2:1 बनेगा. ओके, इफ ही आस्क्ड यू टू फाइंड द trisection points, then we have to substitute the ratio as 1:2 and 2:1. Is it clear? Shall we move on to the one problem based on the section formula? See here. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points this and this in the ratio 2:3. How is it given? एक पॉइंट से और एक पॉइंट, इधर पॉइंट P of -1, इधर Q 4, -4, -3 is given. We have to find a new point R which is dividing in the ratio 2:3. अब बोलो, M1 is 2, M2 is 3, इधर x1 y1 x2 y2 पॉइंट में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. देखो इधर सॉल्यूशन इज R is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2 comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. M1 क्या है इधर, M1 is 2, M2 is 3. okay, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. is it right? सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. देखो इधर क्या है, M1 is 2, x2 is 4, M2 is 3, x1 is -1 divided by M1 plus M2. Is it okay? Next क्या है, M1 y2, M1 is 2, y2 is -3, M2 is 3, y1 is 7 divided by M1 plus M2. That's it. We have to simplify this. Okay. देखो इधर 2 4s are 8, 3 1s are 3. This minus will come outside. 2 plus 3 is 5. इधर 2 into -3 is -6, 7 3s are 21 divided by 2 plus 3 is 5. 8 minus 3 is 5 divided by 5 comma 21 minus 6, how much is it? 15 by 5. Point क्या होगा? This will cancel. 5 1s are 5, 3s are, this is my point. Okay, कैसे करना है? और एक बार देखो इधर, ये एक फॉर्मूला है, ये किसका फॉर्मूला है? There is some point which is dividing the line segment joining these 2 points. ये दोनों पॉइंट को मिला हुआ लाइन को 2 पार्ट्स डिवाइड करना इन द रेशियो M1:M2. ओके, ये M1 पार्ट है तो ये M2 पार्ट रहेगा. ओके, so he gave the ratio, he gave these 2 points, he is asking us to find this third point. Is it right? Did you understand? Fine, that is what we did here, just substituting in the formula. Is it okay? Shall we do one more problem? Let's do. See here, the next question here it is, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. This is one of the most repeating question, that is, they gave 2 points. Let us say P is 4, -1 and Q is -2, -3. Okay, ये दो points दिए तो find a point, 2 points find out करना. Let us say R and S which are trisecting. Trisecting बोले तो एक लाइन को 3 equal parts में डिवाइड करना. That is, trisecting means we have to divide the whole line into 3 equal parts. Then what could be the ratio which we discussed before? That is, the both points will be dividing the whole straight line in the ratio 2:1 and 1:2. Okay, write the same thing. Trisection means dividing the line segment in the ratio 1:2 and 2:1. Okay, which means we have to find 2 points. Is it right? समझ में आ गया ना? ट्राइसेक्शन बोले तो पूरा लाइन सेगमेंट को 1:2 और 2:1 का रेशियो में डिवाइड करके पॉइंट फाइंड आउट करना. Is it right? Did you understand? Okay, let us take case 1. That is m1:m2 is 1:2. Okay, points क्या है इधर? P is 4, -1, Q is -2, -3. Okay, अब बोलो R का फॉर्मूला क्या है? m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, m1y2 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, m1 m2 क्या है? 1 और 2. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. देखो इधर m1 is 1, x2 is -2, m2 is 2, x1 is 4 divided by 1 plus 2. Again m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by 1 plus 2. Is it right? Just simplify it. -2 plus 4 to the 8 divided by 3, comma -3 -2 divided by 3. Okay, here it is -3, here it is -2. What will be the answer? 8 minus 2 is 6 by 3, comma -5 by 3. Answer is 2, comma -5 by 3. Is it right? Did you understand? Once again see here, -2 plus 8, here it is 3, here -3, here it is -2, -3 -2 is -5 divided by 3. Is it clear? नेक्स्ट केस करेंगे. देखो इधर पहला केस का आंसर इज 2, -5 by 3. केस 2, व्हाट इज दिस केस 2? केस 2 इज m1:m2 इज क्या है रेशियो? 2:1. फर्स्ट में रेशियो 1:2 लिए, अब सेकंड में 2:1 लेंगे. क्या होगा r का वैल्यू? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. I'll directly substitute. Okay, देखो इधर 2 into x2 is -2 plus 1 into x1 by m plus n, I mean m1 plus m2. Next m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, देखो इधर 2 to 4 plus 4 1s are 4 divided by 3. इधर -6 -1 divided by 3. अब बोलो -4 plus 4 get cancelled, 0 by 3, -1 -6 is -7 by 3. Therefore my answer is 0, -7 by 3. This is R. समझ में आ गया ना? Therefore trisection points are 2, -5 by 3 and 0, -7 by 3. Is it right? Is it not easy? Okay, और एक बार देखेंगे. देखो इधर he is asking us to find the coordinates of points of trisection of line segment joining these 2 points. Okay, बोले तो क्या है ट्राइसेक्शन? बोले तो एक ही लाइन को 3 पार्ट्स डिवाइड करना इन द रेशियो 2:1 और 1:2. ओके, फर्स्ट केस क्या है? 1:2 लेके सॉल्व करेंगे. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2 में सब्स्टिट्यूट करना. m1 is 1, m2 is 2. Okay, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. We'll substitute and we'll get the answer as 2, -5 by 3. सेकेंड केस क्या है? 2:1 को लेके ऐसे ही सब्स्टिट्यूट करें तो 1 पॉइंट मिलेगा. Is it right? Did you understand? Fine. These are the different problems of section formula and distance. Is it clear? Fine. This is for today. Let us meet in the next session with a few more problems of coordinate geometry. Thank you.